Such a huge part of this yard renovation is just cleanup. Every time a tree comes down, there's like hundreds of branches to deal with, cutting them up, dragging them, and burning them. So that really ate the first 2 weeks of this build, was just cleanup. We're doing a full yard rebuild this year. Tearing down a lot of the existing stunts and jumps and starting fresh. I've never really loved the jumps in the yard. Like, they've worked, they've been sweet, but I want something that's really fun, a little bit bigger, and like more features packed in, and just, yeah, I think it's a bit more fun, so time to mix it up. So after the whale tail, I have a step up. I'm gonna delete the step up, put a roller where that is, and move the jump a little bit further down the hill to make it quite a bit bigger. So you have more speed, it'll be a straighter run in, and just be able to make it a lot bigger. And then we're cutting out a little path through the trees here where the new jump's gonna go. And then from there, we're gonna have another little step up onto the road. So that's what we're working on today. The first step in this yard rebuild was opening up a new line through the trees. So this meant cutting down a bunch of trees so we could open it up and have a little bit more of a blank canvas and faster line to work with. Pretty cool though, because every feature in my yard is built with trees from my property. So here I'm bucking up all the logs into length, and we're gonna run them through my buddy's Wood-Mizer sawmill to make 2x6s, 4x4s, 6x6s to build all the stunts in my yard this spring.
You gotta stop holding on. 5 months is too long.
Really nice to have the help of my friends to be able to do a project of this magnitude.
Pack your things and leave before I scream.
Doing these builds is super fun because I get to become a little bit more well-versed in different tools and skill sets other than just biking. So over the last 10 years, I've used chainsaws for pretty much every video I've done, and it's fun to use tools and learn new things along the way. It definitely pains me to take down some of these trees, but you know, a lot of them are starved for light or they have root rot, and for every tree I cut down, I try and plant a new one at some point.
Every face I see, so unknowing, so unknowing. There are ghosts in every soul I meet, imperfections, lost transgressions, when we moved away.
Huge shout out to Sunbelt Rentals for providing me with the machinery for this build. Couldn't do it without you guys, so thank you. Another skill set I've learned from building so many jumps and trails throughout my career is learning how to use an excavator. So didn't have any training on how to use one. I kind of just rented one and figured it out, and lo and behold, they're not that hard to drive. What is tough though is doing things efficiently and clean. That's something I've gotten a lot better with over the years though.
Walked with God in the garden here, felt so lonely, so unholy. Corners of you, watching light pass by, silent, often burning. And when we moved away, we turned pages
Shout out my old trusty Nissan Frontier. She's a 2013, so I've had her for 13 years. It's got almost 300 kilometers on her and still going strong. Good workhorse in the yard. Also got some fill delivered from the local site, so shout out Milner for helping me out with that. I was filming this in the beginning of April, so I'm trying to get all the burning and yard cleanup done before the burn ban starts at the beginning of May. Using a leaf blower to stoke the fires is even better than throwing gas on it. My buddy Dawson even rolled up with his little Jeep and packing the flat bottoms in between the new jumps. So we just cleared out a hallway through the trees, deleted the old jump, and now I'm gonna test the run-in to see how fast it goes. So my goal was to remove the old jump and make it as fast and big a jump as possible. And by doing that, we've graded the terrain down. So I'm gonna ride it, see how it goes. I'm thinking we might still need to grade it down more so I can carry more speed, but better to test it before we move any further.
Get over that, but I think that you can handle it. Your colored hair, I won't stare at. I know. Your name, I caught your heart. I pretend as if I did not. You wait till noon. You waited alone.
My Saris tailgate pad has proven to be a lot more useful than just for bikes.
I get old and old so I can breathe.
We're on day 5 of running the excavator and rebuilding the yard. And this new line after the whale tail is really coming along. A big pit, keeping it low, downslope all the way from the whale tail. So gonna have a lot of speed for this big new jump. So I'm gonna show you it here, check it out.
Don't call it home. I'm trying awfully hard to figure out.
Right now, I'm about to grab my bike, just test out this flat bottom, see what the speed's like. We need the speed to be dialed for this jump here, so see how it goes. Alright. Well, my initial reaction hitting this, it's hard to say if it's gonna work. It's soft and I aired the roller, so yeah, I think I'm gonna try it again.
But just give me time. Girl, I'm begging you to stay. You'll be just fine. All you needed was a change of pace.
Just rebuilt all the jumps after the whale tail line, pimped the landing off the drop and the berm. This is take 1, so gonna try it out. Just put in a substitute lip for now. Gonna probably end up putting in a steeper, bigger one, but
First try, see how it goes.
Let's get it.
Just give me time. Girl, I'm begging you to stay. We'll be just fine. All we needed was a
Nice.
Well, I hit it. It still doesn't feel awesome. It still just feels slow, and honestly, kind of like the same jump that was there before, just 200 feet further down the hill. So I think I might need to make the roller a little bit longer and figure out a way for me to generate a little bit more speed. But I'm gonna give it another shot, see how it goes.
Just give me time. Girl, I'm begging you to stay. We'll be just fine. All we needed was a change of pace.
It's still soft and the old ramp is super mellow, so it's kind of feeling like the old jump was, but I think we're gonna mellow out the second roller, make it a little bit longer, and change the ramp, and it should be dialed, because I went deep on that one. I'm gonna ride through the hard spot this time, go as fast as I can, pull up, and see how it feels.
So I rode the new jump after the whale tail a few times. I just didn't like it. It pretty much felt like the exact same jump that was there, except moved down the hill a couple hundred feet. So I deleted the whole thing, removed the lip, plowed the landing, and I'm building something new. You guys can check this out on the next episode next week. For the next month or so, I'm gonna be releasing weekly build videos where I'm testing and building and riding all these new stunts in my yard. I'm building everything fresh this year for the 4th annual RW Invitational. That takes place July 15th to 18th here in my backyard in Nanaimo, BC. Tickets are going to be available beginning of May. There's a limited quantity available, so I'll let you know as soon as they come out. Anyways, going to get back to digging, so see you on the next one. Peace.